Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video where today we're going to be continuing the GUI transition screen. So, I made a way easier way of scripting this. So, let's get on to the video. Okay, in Start GUI, place a screen GUI into there. Rename it to screen. Screen T, actually. Okay. All right. So now change it from change reset spawn to false. We're gonna add in a frame. Make this frame black. We're gonna make the anchor point 0.0 0.05, 0.5. Sorry, I said that wrong. Now we're gonna increase the size from whatever that was to 1, 0, 1.2, 0. We're gonna set it to the screen. Next, change the transparency from 0 to 1. Now we're gonna add a text button into the screen GUI. We're gonna rename that button to button. We're going to rename the frame that we used to make the transition with to screen. Okay. Bring this button down to the center. We don't have to change anything about it. It's just for testing purposes. You do whatever you want with it. It's your game. But this is a way I will be doing it is with this GUI button. Next, add a local script into the screen GUI. We're going to delete everything inside of that script, which is print hello world. Add two parameters. Local screen equals script dot parent dot screen. Next, we will do doing local button equals script dot parent dot button, and then we're going to do a local function visible for. Now we're going to do the actual part where it does the transition. For I equals 1, 0, negative 0.1 do. Okay, next we're going to do the frame, so screen dot background transparency equals I. Next, we're going to do task.wait. This will make it so that we don't have to actually say wait multiple times. I'm going to do 0.05 in there. It's like our old one where it was wait 0.05 and then lower the background transparency of the screen to point by 0.1 over and over again until it actually happens. So then we're going to copy and paste this over again, and we're going to make it say not visible instead of visible. We're going to change the variables here. So we're going to say 0, 1, 0.1. That's all for that one. Now we're going to do the button. So button dot mouse button one click connect. Function button dot visible equals false. Then we're gonna do visible. Wait 1 second, and then we're gonna do not visible. I'm gonna wait half a second. And then we're going to make the button visible again. Dang it. I added that. That's wrong. There you go. That is the whole script. It's only 25 lines of code. Hit play and test out your script. Now we're going to hit the button. Face to black. And then phase right back to our scene. There you have it. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below anything you want me to do as a tutorial. And also because liking is gonna improve my channel and help me know what people actually want to see. Now, I have figured out that a lot of you people love my first UI transition tutorial video. Maybe this one will actually be the same, where you get a lot of views and stuff. Which I have almost 530 views on my last video as of what this video is being made as. So please like and subscribe, comment down below if you liked the video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.